Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to add a video to your Fiverr gig to increase your performance. The first thing you have to do is to go into your account, and this is my buyer's account, so I'll just switch to the selling mode. So I'll show you quickly. So once you're on this page, you click on my business here, click on gigs. I have 3 gigs created, and since I abandoned this particular account, they have really dropped. So yeah, but let's just try and edit it. So I'll show you something. So click on the last icon, drop down icon here, click on you can add video directly here. Sometimes you may just click on the edit or preview to see how it is, but you can choose the gig you want and then just click on add video. So you must have created a video where you're explaining what you want to do or what you can offer. So so if you can just this is where, okay, just scroll down. You can only add a particular video, and say please choose a video shorter than 75 seconds. I mean, it's a video showing what you can do a particular you can offer a particular service. So 15-20 seconds, I think that's enough, and should be less than 50 MB. So you can now click here to drop the video you've worked on here. So once you are done with that, you should scroll down and click save. But I do not have any video for this now, so I'll leave it at that. But you can just drop the video here and click on save. You can check out my other video on how to create a gig and even how to create a successful Fiverr account, and I'll see you guys in the next one.